Today on Dead Charger Garage, it's this one. Yeah, this one. Now you may not believe this, unless you've been paying attention, because I feel like I already mentioned it. Anyway, this car's gonna go get painted. And the reason it's gonna go get painted is I don't own it anymore. The new owner even came and got all the interior parts and the bits and bobs. And they're at his place, getting cleaned and painted. It's looking really good, actually. He's also made a substantial investment in reproduction parts. So, you know, I guess they gotta go somewhere. On a nice painted car would be great. I've got a couple projects left to do myself before it can go away for real, but don't worry about that for now. Before it can be painted, it really needs to not have a hole here. So I went ahead and outsourced that operation to someone who might actually get it done this year. But before that happens, it would be nice if the steering wheel did something. If you stick around here for long, you're gonna learn that everything that really needs done on a car and wouldn't take me very long gets done right before the car goes away. All right, that's done. By done, I mean all the bolts are just kind of snugged down, that nut's barely hanging on for life, and the rag joint's broken in half. Surprise, surprise. But the steering wheel might do something. Yay! Went ahead and fixed it forever with zip ties. Did you know I'm actually super strong? Also, probably not gonna make it past 50. Man, it just looks so much better out here in the world. And the more I look at it, the more regrets I have. This thing's awesome. Can you just imagine it with blower and huge tires and smoke just rolling off the back of it? Dang it. Mistakes were made. But, oh well. It's not like I don't have, more. I'm actually having pretty major flashbacks right at the moment. The first car I ever took apart and bomb can black and tried to make operational, but slightly failed, was a 71 Charger. Yep. This is taking me right back. Okay, time to get the trailer. Hey, look, an empty spot in the shop. Maybe I can finally do some organization and get this place cleaned up. Who am I kidding? I'm gonna jam one of these other rusty hunks of crap in there. This will come as a shock, but my zip ties broke immediately and now it doesn't sear anymore. If at first you do not succeed, try again. And if that doesn't work, wrap it in duct tape. 1973 was kind of a rough year for cars, but I definitely know which one I'm choosing. Just saying. Now that I think of it, this could be Bullet 1973. Well, things are getting interesting around here. Oh yeah, you're coming with me. Well, that wasn't so bad. Everything hurts, but it's up there. Still stuck with the wrong trailer hitch I can't adjust locked in there, and yeah. Oh, we just noticed that. We'll ignore that. Anyway, I probably should have loaded it backwards. Oh well. The second gen always performs. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, you better run. Toolbox charger update. It's got a quarter panel. Thanks to my extremely talented friend Mike. Look at that, it's a hood. We're on an adventure to a Mako. Oh yeah, some of the charger got deleted for paint. Race car stuff. Burger stuff. Today on Dead Dodge Garage, we drive around in circles. So we drove 2 hours out of town to take this car to a Mako. And I took one look at it and said, no, we don't want that. Get it sandblasted and then, maybe. I hustled quite a bit to get it ready to go and burned an entire day. And in my defense, I told my friend that bought it, that doesn't really seem like a Mako project. It's a lot of work. I don't know that they're going to want to do that, but he seemed confident. So anyway, lesson learned, I guess. Well, at least we got the Charger out on the road, took it for a ride, you know. Actually towed it right back to just about where I got it from, and then back here. Anyway, that's about it for now. It's all stripped and ready for, you know, stripping, painting and stuff. And I don't know what's going to happen with it now. Might go into a rented workspace and get stripped gradually, or get sandblasted, or I don't know. It probably won't be my problem for several months. I do have to put a 440 together. I'll have fun doing that. Fixing that stuff, well, that ain't me. And that's kind of why it got bomb canned to begin with. But that's neither here nor there. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll get back to this thing eventually, I imagine. Hopefully it'll be nice and pretty and red, and we'll be dropping a 440 in it. Anyway, I got more work to do. Well, and for the record, I didn't do any of this. My friends did. I did take a dump truck to the dump and hit a button. That I can do.